From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, I am Brian Cizek with your Campus Weather Service forecast. Now jumping right into the weather headlines, near record warmth in the state yesterday, but today that cold air will be coming back with a vengeance, much like the Patriots in the Super Bowl, and we're tracking a snow system moving into the region tonight into tomorrow morning, and I'll have some details a little bit later. And then behind that storm, we have a nice little weekend warm-up in store for the State College region. Now, this is what the National Weather Service is saying right now. Winter storm advisories in our area, State College, and much of the central part of the state. Winter storm warning. All the counties in the pink are under a winter storm warning by the National Weather Service. And I'll have some snow totals a little bit later in the broadcast. Now, right now, live look over Beaver Stadium, mostly overcast, but what the picture can't tell you, 50 degrees outside right now. Winds coming from the west at 13 miles per hour. So very warm for this time of the year, especially this early in the morning. Now across the area, 50 here in State College and colder up to our north and to our west. And we can see this pocket of warmer air to our south, but that warm air will be moving out as the day progresses. We can see that colder air up in the northwestern part of the state, and that will start to work its way down. But still 58 in Philadelphia, and look at this temperature gradient, 37 just a little bit to the north in Allentown. So we're seeing some strong temperature gradients across the state right now, 16 degrees above what it was yesterday at this time, but don't be fooled because temperatures will be dropping throughout the day. Looking at the radar on satellite, we can see that well-defined front move through and still a few clouds in the region right now, but fairly dry throughout the state. Now, peering ahead into the future, this is this morning, and that system moves throughout the day, mostly dry, a spotty shower here and there, but mainly just overcast conditions. And then Wednesday night, we can see this storm start to move in. This is tonight at midnight, and we can see that snow moving in, probably starting around 10 p.m., maybe mixing a little bit at the beginning of the system, but overall mostly snow for us here in State College. And this is really, we're going to see the bulk of the storm early tomorrow morning. This is 4 a.m., and we can see this steep gradient in the intensity of the snow. The bullseye looks like it's going to be around the Harrisburg region. As we move into your Thursday morning commute, actually most of the snow is out of the area, so this is a fast-moving storm, and that's going to keep those snow totals down a little bit than a classic nor'easter that would kind of just camp out on the Atlantic. And moving into Thursday, we're not quite out of the woods yet. Even when this low moves off, we see this some lake effect snow start to set in. So we're going to have winds coming from the northwest, coming over the Great Lakes, and that's going to bring some lake effect snow. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see some pretty strong snow squalls through our region tomorrow afternoon. So don't let your guard down once that snow stops in the morning. And for Friday and for your Thursday night, mainly overcast throughout the region as that storm system moves out. Now moving from west to east across the state, these are our Campus Weather Service official snow totals. 2 to 4 inches for much of the area, 4 to 6 for State College for our region, and this is really the bullseye, 6 to 10 inches Harrisburg up through Scranton, and a little bit less down in the Philadelphia area. Jumping right into your forecast, 52, but temperatures dropping throughout the day, should be in the 40s later in the day with some spotty showers, but mainly overcast. 25 tonight, and then the snow moves in around 10 o'clock into tomorrow morning, where we're going to see that AM snow moving out after the morning commute, but then maybe in the afternoon, a few more lake effect snow, but it's going to be cold and windy, high of just 26 degrees. Now, jumping ahead to your 7-day forecast, Friday remaining cold, high of just 28 degrees. Then we see this nice little weekend warm up with temperatures in the mid-40s, but we are tracking some rain for your Sunday, and then the beginning of the work week, temperatures around 40 degrees under partly sunny skies. For the Campus Weather Service, I'm Brian Cizek. Have a great day.